In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on eye tracking on your iPhone running iOS 18. Eye tracking allows you to control and select items on your screen without using your fingers. This new feature is part of the accessibility options in iOS 18, making it easier for individuals with certain physical limitations to interact with their devices. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, scroll down again and tap on the eye tracking option. What you want to do next is toggle on the switch next to eye tracking. Then follow the on-screen instructions and go through the setup process. Your iPhone will show a dot on the screen. All you have to do is follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. Now you've successfully enabled eye tracking on your iPhone, and a small indicator will appear on the screen showing where your eyes are focusing. You can then move your gaze around to highlight different elements on the screen and select them without physically touching the display. You can also tweak the eye tracking to better suit your needs by adjusting settings like smoothing and dwell control to make the experience more comfortable and accurate for you. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.